Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about lifestyle diseases. A lifestyle of a person is the way of living his or her life. In recent times, India has started to observe an increase in various kinds of health related problems due to change in lifestyle regardless of their gender or age. So, lifestyle disorders may occur due to different factors such as dietary patterns, habits, and behavior, preferences, and more. An article by the Business World states that nearly 61% of people in India died due to lifestyle or non communicable diseases. Lifestyle diseases are not limited to adults alone. Nowadays, it is affecting kids as well. So, here are an article providing some of the profound insights of the most common lifestyle disorders, its causes and symptoms, and preventive measures to be taken to avoid them. What is lifestyle disorder? A lifestyle disorder is a disease connected with the way of people living, with the growth in technological advancements and lack of physical exercise. We are facing a continuous rise in lifestyle diseases, also known as non communicable diseases. Poor lifestyle choices such as smoking, alcohol usage, bad food habits, irregular sleeping habits, etc., can lead to lifestyle disorders. It is highly essential to maintain a healthy environment in our day to day activities that help to prevent lifestyle disorders. What are the causes of lifestyle diseases? We are like it is well known that lifestyle diseases in India are at a peak. Knowing the root causes and consequences of lifestyle disorders is significant because it helps to eliminate in early stage and achieve enhanced health. What are the causes of lifestyle diseases such as dehydration, poor physical fitness, fatigue, malnutrition, and stress? What are the most common lifestyle disorders? Lifestyle disorders are the health issues that are related to the physical and mental functioning of a human being. Here is a list of the different types of lifestyle diseases widespread in today's society, such as obesity. People fall under obese when their body mass index is higher than 25. One experiences obesity due to a stressful lifestyle, unhygienic and unhealthy eating habits, reduced physical activity, and more. Overweight people suffer from blood pressure, cardiovascular diseases, breathing issues, and diabetes. Obesity is a primary disorder that leads to other chronic diseases in a human being. And the second one comes hypertension. High blood pressure, also known as HBP, and hypertension, is a long term lifestyle disorder that results in critical health complications such as heart disease, stroke, etc. When the reading is 140 by 90 or higher in the BP machine, it means the blood pressure is high. Some of the common reasons of HBP are genetic factors, stress, unhealthy eating habits, and obesity. And the third one comes heart disease and stroke. Cardiovascular disease, also known as heart disease, refers to the heart conditions that involve blocked blood vessels and blood clots. India ranks first with 50 million cardio patients suffering from heart health issues. It is a severe chronic disease, and the abnormalities and irregularities in blood vessel walls and heart muscles are due to following diabetes, smoking, and high cholesterol. And the next one comes asthma. Asthma is a long term inflammatory disease caused due to the swelling and narrowing of airways. It is a common chronic disorder that results in prolonged coughing, breath shortness, chest tightness, and wheezing. And next, type 2 diabetes and cancer. Type 2 diabetes, also known as adult onset diabetes, is a chronic medical disorder caused due to poor lifestyle choices and unhealthy eating habits. Estimates predict that 40.9 million people in India have type 2 diabetes. This disease is a non insulin form that is common among adults and results in frequent thirst, unusual weight loss, and recurrent urination. Cancer is a group of malignant diseases that involves the irregular growth and spread of abnormal cells to various parts of the body. The immunity of one's body gets reduced due to the following: prolonged cough, smoking, stress, abnormalities in weight loss, defecation, etc. Through proper vaccination, medication, and dietary recommendations, there is a possibility to overcome cancer risks. How to prevent lifestyle disorders? In recent days, the occurrence of various lifestyle diseases has become high among youth and kids. It is because of several reasons, such as busy work schedules, smoking and alcohol habits, sleep disorders, poor food practices, and so on. So, here are some simple tips and measures to prevent lifestyle diseases that can make a healthier and better you. Drink plenty of water every day. Avoid soft drinks and junk foods as they might cause acidity. Eat more green vegetables, dry fruits, and calcium rich grains. Eliminate the consumption of oily and fatty foods. Practice different form to physical activity and workouts to maintain the immune system active. Sleep adequately to keep a refreshed mind. Burn some calories daily and do not skip meals. Stay away from smoking and alcohol. Take care of your health properly. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.